Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam, and you are watching Unlimited Options Investing. In this video, I want to talk about one of my favorite companies, not so much because of the stock, but because of the app and the company itself. That, of course, would be Airbnb, which I'm sure many of you guys watching this video right now are thinking the same. Airbnb is awesome. It gives you a unique experience whenever you need accommodation. In my opinion, it's way better than hotels. Ever since I first started using the app, I literally haven't gone back. I went on a trip maybe a month ago to Eastern Canada. I'm from Toronto, and I just stayed in Airbnb the entire time. It creates an amazing, unique experience for the consumer, and whenever a consumer walks away from an experience and it's unique, they won't forget it. And with such high satisfaction and sentiment regarding the company, you know that a lot of those people that are getting those Airbnbs are going to be returning guests, including myself. And honestly, this is a stock that I would love to just buy and put it into the filing cabinet and forget about it. However, the stock had just IPO'd about a year ago, and the valuation is still kind of in the air, especially with the pandemic and the variants that are going around, and when is travel going to resume again to pre-pandemic levels and so on. So there are a lot of headwinds in the short term, but I, without a doubt, am so certain about Airbnb over the long term, as there are so many different tailwinds to propel this company into hundreds of billions of dollars in market capitalization. And in the same way that Uber, Skip the Dishes, DoorDash, they don't own any restaurants or cars. They're software companies in the same way that Airbnb doesn't own any homes. They are a software company, and honestly, software companies have the best of margins. What are their costs, really? Their costs of maintaining a software company are so much drastically lower than other traditional companies. And similar to YouTube and a YouTuber doesn't employ any of their YouTubers. It's just a partnership between the two. It's the same thing when it comes to Airbnb and the hosts. They reach a partnership where the host is able to host their house on the domain software, and pretty much Airbnb does nothing else except for collect a sweet commission from their host. Taking a deeper dive into ABNB stock, but before we do, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Here at Unlimited Options Investing, we talk everything from stocks, crypto, and options, and we're investing for the long term. As well as always, smash that like button and let's get started. All right, taking a look at ABNB. So it's currently up 26.4% year to date. I actually want to take you guys back about a year ago when it first IPO'd back in December 10th of last year. It came out at about 145 US dollars after the IPO was done. We had a quick decline thereafter, going down to about $125, and since then, it ripped all the way up for the next few months, peaking at the same time that a lot of momentum and growth stocks had also topped out. And then from that point, downtrending and then finding a bottom all the way in about July this year, down 40% at about 132 US dollars. And since that point, we're about up 33%. And this is probably the biggest thing that worries me for Airbnb again in the short term is the market cap. It's because, again, it IPO'd just a year ago. It often takes Wall Street quite a bit of time to see how much